welcome each one of you all in this technical trader webinar. I am joined by the financial technologies team. My name is Vikas Ved. I head the franchisee business. हमारे साथ FT के लोग हैं जो आपको ये जो टेक्निकल ट्रेडर है जो हमारा एक नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च है उसके बारे में आपको पूरा एक व्यू देंगे। जो स्क्रीन आप देख पा रहे हो, जो आईडी टर्मिनल आईडी आप देख पा रहे हो अपनी स्क्रीन में, उसके उसके साथ में वो लोग बताएंगे कि कैसे टेक्निकल ट्रेडर को चलाते हैं, उसकी यूटिलिटी क्या है, व्हाट इज द यूटिलिटी ऑफ द टेक्निकल ट्रेडर, हाउ डू यू यूज इट इन ओडिन, एंड हाउ यू कैन यूज दिस particular product to grow your business for your branch as well as for your clients. The clients can also do it as well as the sub-broker can do it for the client. So without wasting much time, I am giving the control to Ms. Sangeeta and Ashish, who are from Financial Technologies. Over to you, team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, all of you. I am Ashish Nayak. I am here to represent our company, Financial Technologies. So, आज हम जो प्रोडक्ट देख रहे हैं, that is technical trader. तो एक छोटा सा overview, a short overview of that product is, we all use charts, right? So, what if we give something to you which will help you out? You can use it. चार्ट में आपने कोई स्ट्रेटेजी क्रिएट किया, यू मेक अ स्ट्रेटेजी ऑन अ चार्ट, यू प्लॉट अ चार्ट, यू क्रिएट अ स्ट्रेटेजी, एंड जो सिग्नल्स है, व्हाट एवर सिग्नल्स यू गेट, it will be just like automated. It will buy and sell signals will be generated and orders would be generated. You just need a click to submit that orders. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, orders automatically our system will generate. आपको सिर्फ वो ऑर्डर सबमिट करना है और एक्सचेंज तक पहुंचाना है. दिस इज ऑल यू हैव टू डू. योर वर्क इज दैट. बाकी आपका जो स्ट्रेटेजीज है, वॉट एवर इंडिकेटर्स यू आर यूजिंग, दैट इज ऑल योर मेथोडोलॉजी. आवर सिस्टम वुड बी mainly using your strategy, generating the signals. Orders would be generated on that based of that signals and pushed to the exchange. Simple. Nothing, no rocket science. So basically we will start with the base, which is our charts, advanced charts. So let me tell you कि how to use a chart in Odin. हम सबको पता रहेगा, but just a short briefing of charts. ये हमारा market watch है. We all know this is our market watch. To open any chart, we just need a shortcut which is Control I for an intraday chart and Control H for a historic chart, for a daily chart. So suppose I open a chart which is Control I. I guess this is our chart, Control I. तो बेसिकली हमारा ये चार्ट आ गया. वी गॉट आवर चार्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. तो ये चार्ट में हमारे पास अवेलेबल क्या है? दिस चार्ट डेटा विंडो इज नथिंग बट इट विल गिव अस द ब्रीफ ओवरव्यू ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट. हमारे पास वी हैव दिस चार्ट टाइप which is what all chart type we have. We have candle, we have standard, we have line chart, points and figure, Renko, Kagi, Heikanashi. These are all the charts. हम यूजुअली कैंडल पे काम करते हैं, तो आई विल शो यू ऑल दी ओवरव्यूज ऑन कैंडल. देन वी हैव दिस टाइम इंटरवल. कौन कौन से टाइम इंटरवल अवेलेबल है हमारे पास? तो वी हैव डेली, वी हैव टिक बाय टिक, वी हैव दिस 5 minutes चार्ट, वी हैव दिस 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. कस्टम. कस्टम का यूज क्या है? I can use a time frame of my choice in intraday. Simple. Or one of the USP of our product is not only minutes but second wise भी आप chart देख सकते हो. जैसे for example you want to see a chart of 5.5 minutes, so we can go and straight away click intraday 5.30. तो आपको एक एक कैंडल जो आएगा इट विल बी अबाउट 5.5 मिनट। तो ये चार्ट है। एंड ये मैं चार्ट आपको इसके लिए दिखा रहा हूँ बिकॉज वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ स्ट्रेटेजी ऑन दिस चार्ट। तो वो स्ट्रेटेजी हम कैसे प्लॉट बनाते हैं, पहला चीज हम वो देख लेते हैं। दिस इज अ टेक्निकल स्कैन, वी हैव दिस फॉर्मूला बिल्डर। फॉर्मूला बिल्डर में एक सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी मैं आपको बताऊंगा विच इज माय एसएमए क्रॉसओवर, माय शॉर्ट पीरियड एंड लॉन्ग पीरियड एसएमए क्रॉसओवर। तो let's go here. I'll just take a crossover of 10 period and 20 period. So this becomes my formula builder where I will create my strategy. Basically हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक पीरियड ले लेना है, लॉन्गर पीरियड ले लिया। बाकी आपको कहीं कुछ करना नहीं है। यहाँ पे एक ऐड टू सोर्स का ऑप्शन है, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट। ये मैंने शॉर्टर पीरियड ले लिया, यहाँ पे मेरा फॉर्मूला आ गया। दिस इज माय SMA 20। तो दिस इज हाउ आई क्रिएट अ स्ट्रेटेजी। एंड हमने वो स्ट्रेटेजी का नाम दे दिया SMA बाय। ऐड फॉर्मूला कर लिया एंड वी सेव इट। वी सेव इट, एक्चुअली वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड इट। तो सेव कर लिया, देन वी विल लोड इट। अगर आपको लोड करना है to just check, you can check this strategy. So this is my strategy, SMA 10 and 20 का क्रॉसओवर। ये तो एक सिंपल मैंने स्ट्रेटेजी क्रिएट कर लिया। हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है टेक्निकल ट्रेडर का। तो दिस स्ट्रेटेजी टैब इज माय टेक्निकल ट्रेडर्स विंडो विच वी वुड बी यूजिंग। तो हम यहाँ आ जाते हैं, वी हैव दिस पैरम विंडो। दिस पैरम विंडो कंसिस्ट ऑफ नथिंग बट आवर टेक्निकल ट्रेडर्स पैरामीटर्स। तो सबसे पहले हम ये टैब देख लेंगे। वी विल सी दिस टैब, वी गेट टू व्यूज, वन इज माय पैरम व्यू एंड वन इज माय एडवांस सेटिंग। तो बेसिक सेटिंग जो है मेरा, बेसिक सेटिंग में व्हाट वी गेट अ स्ट्रेटेजी नेम which is my TT one touch. This one touch is nothing but यहाँ पे the agenda is whenever a signal is generated and an order is generated due to that सिग्नल। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको एक बाय ऑर्डर आया, उस बाय ऑर्डर के वजह से एक सॉरी बाय सिग्नल आया, उस सिग्नल के वजह से आपको एक ऑर्डर जनरेट हुआ। दैट ऑर्डर विल गो टू डिस्पैच ऑर्डर बुक। हियर इन दिस ऑर्डर टैब वी हैव एन ऑप्शन ऑफ डिस्पैच ऑर्डर बुक। तो ये ऑर्डर बुक में कुछ नहीं करना है। ये ऑर्डर बुक में आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये ऑर्डर बुक है, ठीक है। तो जस्ट आई विल हाइड दिस। दिस इज योर ऑर्डर बुक। जैसे यहाँ पे एक ऑर्डर आया है, वी विल राइट क्लिक, आइदर वी कैन एक्सेप्ट रिजेक्ट, ठीक है। दिस इज आवर ऑप्शन। हम ऑर्डर्स को पास भी कर सकते हैं, ऑर्डर को रिजेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं इफ वी वांट। नाउ वी विल सी दिस टेक्निकल ट्रेडर ऑप्शन। तो यहाँ पे हमारा स्ट्रेटेजी का नाम आ गया TT वन टच। देन वी हैव दिस मैपिंग नेम। मैपिंग इज व्हाट? मैपिंग इज नथिंग बट जस्ट लाइक एन आइडेंटिफिकेशन मार्क कि आपने कितने स्ट्रेटेजीज बनाए हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल वी सी 130, that means 129 strategies have been already created and this is the 130th one, ठीक है। आप कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हो मैपिंग में, यू कैन गिव एनी नेम लाइक ABCD 1 2 3 4 टेस्ट 1 2 3, बट न्यूमेरिकली माय सिस्टम व्हाट इट विल डू, इट विल फेच न्यूमेरिक मैपिंग। मतलब 130 हो गया, नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेटजी विच आई क्रिएटेड बिकम्स 131। देन वी हैव दिस एक्सचेंज ऑप्शन, व्हाटएवर एक्सचेंज इज अलाउड टू मी that would be reflected, whatever instrument I have that would be reflected here, just like equity, finance, equity, futures and options, sorry. Then symbol would be there, like Reliance hai. We have an option of lots and cycle. So lots is basically nothing, equity mein lots is
করলে ইঞ্চি
but lots means क्वांटिटी, तो जैसे यहाँ पे 1 है तो एक क्वांटिटी, तो इसको हम 10 कर लेते हैं। एंड अगर हम कैपिटल ले लेते हैं तो कैपिटल का मतलब हो जाता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 lakh is my capital which I want to use in Reliance, and for example Reliance का प्राइस चल रहा है 2000, that means 1 lakh divided by 2000, so that many quantities, 500 quantities become my total lot value, मतलब एक बार में मेरा 500 quantities का ट्रेड जाएगा, तो दिस इज दैट ऑप्शन। देन यहाँ पे हम आ जाते हैं, देन वी विल कम टू दिस कंडीशंस, लॉन्ग कंडीशन, शॉर्ट कंडीशन। तो लॉन्ग कंडीशन, शॉर्ट कंडीशन में क्या होता है, वॉट एवर स्ट्रेटेजी यू हैव क्रिएटेड इन योर सिस्टम, स्ट्रेटेजीज मीन्स आपने इंडिकेटर्स यूज कर लिए, वेदर यू यूज आरएसआई, वेदर यू यूज एमएससीडी, जैसे हमने अभी एसएमए का क्रॉसओवर देखा, तो वो सारी स्ट्रेटेजीज हम यहाँ पे ले लेंगे। तो लॉन्ग कंडीशन, एक लॉन्ग कंडीशन के लिए एंट्री पॉइंट मेरा कौन सा कंडीशन होगा, तो दिस एसएमए क्रॉसओवर मींस माय 10 पीरियड क्रॉसिंग ओवर माय 20 पीरियड, दैट बिकम्स माय एंट्री पॉइंट इन लॉन्ग कंडीशन। सिमिलरली माय एग्जिट कंडीशन, व्हाट विल बी माय एग्जिट कंडीशन, तो हमने एक रिवर्स क्रॉसओवर का भी बनाया, इट इज जस्ट एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट। ओके, सॉरी, आई विल tell in English. So, Mr. Mohammed, we were into this point. We in this particular basic settings, we choose the script first, which we can see Reliance, and then we have this option of lots and capital here, order, lot, and value. Lots is nothing, but in case of equity, it means how many quantities, just like 10 lots means it, in equity it means 10 quantities for Reliance. I want to use this strategy for buying 10 quantities of Reliance, so this becomes my lot. And in case we choose capital, for example, we use a capital of 1 lakh, and currently Reliance is trading at 2000 rupees. So what my system will do, every time it will place an order of 500 quantities, because that value 1 lakh divided by my 2000 LTP, that becomes my number of quantities I want to buy. And then this is a long conditions. Conditions are basically nothing but what all strategies we have created in market, in our charts, using indicators. So basically, for long condition, for buying, for using the condition to buy, we have an entry point and we have an exit point. So as we saw previously, we had made a condition on SMA crossover. Basic condition, SMA crossover is nothing, my shorter period cutting my longer period, that becomes a buy
One
signal.
second, Ashish. Nagavena, sir, I made you speaker on. What is your query, sir? Hello? Nagavena.
Nagavina.
Unmute.
I suggest that let's take the question answer sessions after.
Later.
Yeah,
Okay, no
Later
issue.
let
on.
the flow
Yes, yes.
continue. Whatever
Because
questions
he is
anybody
speaking
has, they will
continuously.
put in that window, and
Okay,
then
no issue.
your that window, Sangeeta and Ashish can address. Please go in a
Okay.
proper flow so that people understand.
Okay, sure.
Yes, yes. So basically, we were into this conditions. Conditions are nothing but the strategies we have created in our charts. So in conditions, we have one entry and one exit condition. Entry condition SMA crossover, and exit condition is SMA reverse crossover. My longer period cutting my shorter period, that becomes my exit condition. So we can use this as an entry and exit point for long condition. Similarly, we have the short condition. हम short condition में भी positions create कर सकते हैं. तो short condition, if we will take just exactly the opposite, हम exactly opposite लेंगे कि यहाँ पे we will take first reverse crossover, and then at exit point we will take crossover. So what my system will do, whenever my SMA crossover takes place, my system will place a buy order according to buy signal. Then again, when I get an exit signal, a sell signal, my system will place a sell order. And then if we have this short condition also, अगर हमारे पास short condition भी है, तो again this reverse crossover will take place. Means क्या हो गया, पहले हमने 10 lot buy किया था, we purchased a 10 lot, then again 10 lot was squared off, and at that particular time quantity was doubled, a fresh sell order was placed for that, and then at this exit point, square of order for that sell order happened and a fresh buy position, तो quantity double होते रहेगा तभी तक, my quantity will increase double at that point, and this is my condition and this is my time frame. In what time frame I want to check this condition, कौन से time frame में मुझे ये condition check करना है in chart, whether I want to check it on daily time frame, whether I want to check it on weekly, monthly, quarterly, intraday. So whatever time frame I take, just like if I choose 15 minutes, my system will check for this condition in 15 minutes chart. हमारे 15 मिनट के चार्ट पे पूरा कंडीशन चेक हो जाएगा, एंड जहां जहां पे मुझे सिग्नल्स आएंगे वहां वहां मुझे ऑर्डर्स मेरे सिस्टम जनरेट करता रहेगा. ठीक है, so this becomes my in my basic setting, basically we choose the script into which we want to trade, how many quantities we want to trade, and what would be my condition. Is it clear? Any query till this? Okay, so this active, intraday and auto square off we will cover at the end. What is that? Now
basic setting में, so basic setting में we saw what script we want
Ashish,
to
just
trade, what
sorry to
condition we
interrupt
want
over
to.
here, Ashish.
Now
Ashish,
we will
sorry to
move on
interrupt.
to advanced setting. This is my advanced setting. So advanced setting में we get a advanced structure. What is that? Calculation on same script, other script. This is the first option. So this calculation on same script means whichever script I have chosen in my basic tab, जो भी script हमने basic tab में लिया है, जैसे Reliance लिया है, तो all the calculations, all the signal generation, everything would be done on Reliance and order would be placed in Reliance. Simple. And if we choose other script में basically क्या हो जाएगा? For example, just an example कि हमने basic में लिया था Reliance Futures and others में हमने लिया Reliance Equity. Means what? We are checking the signals on Reliance Equity chart, but my orders would be placed in Reliance Futures. Am I clear this other script? तो आप वैसा ट्रेड कर सकते हो. It is basically for correlations and all. Then we have this option of DPR. DPR is nothing but this 999 means whatever the DPR full benefit you want to take. अगर हम यहाँ क्या कर देते हैं, DPR for example we keep it as 8%. So what my system will do, exchange is allowing me a DPR of 10 to 20%. For example, exchange is allowing me in Reliance to trade in 20%, but what my system will do, it will restrict it to 8%. And above 8%, order will not go. So if we keep it as 999, full DPR benefit we would be getting. Okay. So next is this start with entry condition. This entry condition is nothing but, sorry, that condition which we placed, long condition, short condition, that basic condition is entry condition. So हमारा जो orders जाएगा, that will go according to that. Then we have this order settings. हमने basic setting में देख लिया कि हमने script choose कर लिया, हमने conditions choose कर ली. Next thing would be at what price my order would go. जो order generate होगा, कौन से price पे generate होगा. So we have this option of order type. Basically this should be always limit order, and we have this, मतलब आपको orders अगर generate करना है, you want to generate that order, what should be that price, whether it should be market price, whether it should be counter touch line, CTL, counter touch line, opposite side, counter touch line percentage, touch line, touch line is nothing but same side, touch line percentage, LTP, whether you want to place an order on LTP percentage, SP is nothing. It means signal price. जिस particular price पे signal generate हुआ था, that becomes my SP. That particular price where signal is generated, it is my SP. And we have ATP, average traded price. So whatever we choose, my order would be placed at that particular price. For example, here we have chosen CTL, and I keep this value as 1. So 1 is nothing but absolute value 1 rupee. So let us take an example. For example, in this particular script, my counter touch line is 100 rupees. Okay. So what my system will do, it will place a buy order at 1 rupee above counter touch line. That becomes 101 mein mera order generate ho jayega. My buy order would be generated at 101. Then as we already knew, okay, this particular system, this order generation would be automated. No manual work is done. Only manual thing you will have to do is to just submit. आपको ऑर्डर सबमिट करना है, एक्सचेंज तक पहुंचाना है, बस आपको एक्सेप्ट रिजेक्ट वो काम करना है, बाकी ऑर्डर जनरेशन मेरा सिस्टम ही करके देगा आपको. तो इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ सेमी एल्गो सिस्टम. तो जैसे हमने देख लिया कि ऑर्डर यहाँ पे जनरेट हुआ है 101 पे, 100 रुपए का काउंटर टच लाइन था, 101 पे ऑर्डर जनरेट हो गया है. जरूरी नहीं है वो प्राइस पे ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट हो, कभी कभी पेंडिंग भी खड़ा हो जाता है. So in that case, what we can do, what my system will do, basically, it will modify it. It will modify that order. How it will modify? ये option है entry modification setting. 2 seconds, 3 attempt. ठीक है? This 2 seconds, 3 attempt is nothing but, for example, the example we saw, 101 रुपए में मेरा ऑर्डर जनरेट हुआ, 101 my order was generated, but it was pending. It didn't execute. So what my system will do, it will wait for 2 seconds. ठीक है? Then out of this 3 attempt, sir, this is not fully automated. You just need to click on submit button in dispatch order book. As we were discussing previously, you need to click on dispatch order book, and that order generation, everything would be automated. This entry modification settings, at 101 my order was placed, and it waited for 2 seconds. 101 आया ही नहीं. Then what my system will do, it will place an attempt to modify this. ये order को modify करेगा. How? यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास ऑप्शन है, हाउ यू वांट टू मॉडिफाई, वेदर यू वांट टू मॉडिफाई इट ऑन एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, वेदर यू वांट टू मॉडिफाई इट ऑन टिक वैल्यू, टिक्स, काउंटर टच लाइन, परसेंटेज, सेम. तो फॉर इजी अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी विल टेक दिस एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 1 rupee. सो सिंपल. 101 माय ऑर्डर वाज प्लेस्ड, 101 पे मेरा ऑर्डर प्लेस हुआ था, पेंडिंग हो गया, 2 सेकंड वेट किया, एक अटेम्प्ट कर लेगा, 1 रुपए ऊपर. एट 102 one modification would be done. One.
Basically, it will place a modification. It will modify that order 1 rupee above that. Means my order would be placed at 102. Okay. My order gets executed, then nothing will happen. It will place an exit order. In case again at 102 my order is not placed, it will wait for 2 more seconds and it will place one more modification attempt. तो at 103 एक attempt हो जाएगा. Similarly third attempt 104 पे हो जाएगा. And in all this case till 104 my order is not getting executed. For example, हो रहा ही नहीं है, प्राइस आ ही नहीं रहा है, it is getting pending. So totally 6 seconds हमारे निकल गए. Then we have this option of final attempt. We can place a final attempt on that particular after this 6 seconds. So what will be my final attempt? It is up to me what I choose here, what I select here, whether I want to place a market order after 6 seconds, after this all 3 attempts, whether I would like to keep it as a pending order so that it gets executed, which is in case of chats very rare if you want to use, or whether you want to cancel it. It is up to you, your choice. आप मार्केट ऑर्डर करके डाल दो तो आफ्टर दिस 3 items मार्केट ऑर्डर प्लेस हो जाएगा, या तो वो पेंडिंग में खड़ा रहेगा या तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो दिस इज माय एंट्री ऑर्डर सेटिंग्स. सिमिलरली वी हैव एग्जिट ऑर्डर सेटिंग्स. अभी एंट्री तो हो गया मेरा, एंट्री ऑर्डर निकल गया. नाउ व्हाट? नाउ इफ आई वांट टू प्लेस अ एग्जिट ऑर्डर, तो सिमिलर वे में वी हैव दिस ऑप्शन exit how I want to do. See, if we choose market, then we will not get any option of modification, because I myself I am saying कि market में जो भाव मिल रहा है उसमें आप खरीद लो या एग्जिट कर लो, तो उसमें आपको मॉडिफिकेशन का ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेगा. when you choose it as counter touchline to ATP, anything जो आपका चॉइस है, then आपको ये मॉडिफाई करने को अलाउ करता है. Similarly, we do this counter touchline settings also. 1 rupee modification, and you can keep it anything. You can keep it 1 second, you can keep it 5 seconds. It is up to your requirement, system specific. And this is my final attempt. Here we get this option of market, whether I want to place a market order or whether I want to keep it as pending, but not cancel. Why? Can anybody send it on chat why cancel is not available? Okay, basically it's an exit, so we cannot place we cannot cancel that order. It is the square of order. Okay, that's why we get this option of market percentage and pending. So this becomes my exit setting, order setting. Just wait. Now, one option, we have kept this entry on crossovers, exit on crossovers. But what if I want to crossover on absolute value, so that कहीं पे भी मैंने कहीं भी entry लिया at this particular price, it should exit. So we have this option of square off. Square off is nothing but यहाँ पे we have whether I want to square off it on my LTP value or my ATP value. So here we will get this option of absolute and LTP. So what my system will do, हमने जिस particular price पे trade किया है, so on above that 10 रुपए ऊपर एक square of order चले जाएगा. ठीक है? Whichever will be first. For example, यहाँ पे हमने ये भी रखा है. We have kept an entry point and we have kept an exit point also. If SMA reverse crossover comes first, this exit condition comes first, so it will crossover, it will square off at that particular point, or whether it reaches this rupees above that price. For example, 100 में हमने लिया था and 110, the price reaches to 110, then so it will square off that at that particular price, and this order will be automatically cancelled. Simple. This is my square off. Now I want to place a stop loss order. मुझे order भी डालना है, मुझे square off भी डालना है, अभी मुझे stop loss भी डालना है. So I have this option of stop loss also, stop loss setting. Stop loss मुझे कैसे करना है? Whether I want to do it at my LTP, my ATP, market LTP, market ATP. My LTP is basically whatever LTP I have purchased, whatever is my ATP. Market LTP is currently market में जो LTP चल रहा है या currently market में जो ATP is going on that. और हमने यहाँ दे दिया 5 रुपी. ठीक है? So that means 5 रुपए नीचे मेरा square of order लग जाएगा. For example, 100 में we kept up at 101. 100 was my counter touch line. So 101 पे entry हो गया, and from 100, 5 rupees below at 95 my square of orders was generated. And till where I want to keep that my square of order? till 10 rupee, below 10 rupee. This becomes my square of order setting if you want to keep your square of orders. And if you want to trail that square of, आपको trail भी करवाना है square of को, we keep it here, trailing 1 rupee. 1 rupee means at 1 rupee jump of my LTP, my stop loss would be jumped by 1 rupee. Means 100 is my LTP, 95 is my stop loss. 101 becomes my LTP, 96 becomes my stop loss becomes 96, and just like that. Why trailing is used? To just come into profit at one particular time. It will reach above 100 also, so our loss would be minimized. So this is our trailing option. Now we have this option of cycle. Cycle is nothing but cycle means one entry one exit. एक जगह एंट्री किया, एक जगह एग्जिट किया, वो मेरा एक साइकिल हो गया. तो हाउ मेनी साइकिल्स आई वांट टू ट्रेड, तो वी कैन प्लेस इट हियर. अगर सपोज आई हैव केप्ट वन, so what my system will do, it will take an entry, it will take an exit, and then my strategy would be stopped. Simple. So whatever cycle you keep, whether you want to keep 50, you can keep it 50, or whether you want to keep 999. 999 means unlimited. यहाँ क्या होगा, जितने भी साइकिल्स, जितने भी एंट्री एग्जिट पॉइंट्स होंगे, सब कवर हो जाएगा 999. एंड लॉस साइकिल, लॉस, ये लॉस क्या है, ये 0 है. वी कीप इट एज 3 फॉर एग्जांपल. व्हाट इज इट? 3 means if consecutively 3 losses occur, मतलब मेरे इस स्ट्रेटेजी ने क्या किया, बैक टू बैक 3 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव लॉस दे दिए मुझे, तो मेरा स्ट्रेटेजी ऑटोमेटिकली रुक जाएगा, फिर कोई नए ऑर्डर्स जनरेट नहीं होंगे. सिंपल. आई कैन कीप इट 1 ऑल्सो. 1 करेंगे तो जैसे ही मेरा लॉस आया, मेरा स्ट्रेटेजी रुक गया. एंड कीप इट 2, आई कैन कीप इट 3. इट इज अप टू माई रिक्वायरमेंट. बट मुझे ये समझना है कि ये लॉस साइकिल होता है क्या. कॉन्जिक्यूटिव लॉस, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे एक लॉस हो गया, मुझे एक प्रॉफिट हो गया, देन अगेन लॉस, so that won't be counted. If I get loss, 3 losses back to back, then my strategy would be stopped. And max lot, how many maximum lots I want to trade. So this max lot, I can keep anything. For example, 100. We will see how it is useful. Max lot 100 means totally in this particular strategy, mapping number 130 and Reliance, we can trade for 100 lots. Total मेरा जो इसमें ट्रेड बाइंग होगा वो 100 lots का हो जाएगा, पोजीशन 100 lots का हो जाएगा. Then we will see this advanced setting. यहाँ पे सबसे सिंपल, we have this progression. Yes, sir, you can stop your strategy at any point. You just need to stop it, and you can even square it off. For example, you don't want, you want के strategy exit point पे, if my strategy has not reached any exit point, you want to square off. We have this option of manual square off also. I'll show you that. I'll show you that, sir, at the end. Basically, we were into this progression. So progression is nothing but why progression is used. For example, my this strategy is very useful और बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, मुझे बहुत प्रॉफिट दे रहा है. Then what I want to do कि हमेशा हर बार every time I need not keep the same quantity. मतलब 10 lots, 10 quantities, 10 quantities. I want to double my quantities or increase my quantity. And vice versa, even if I want to decrease, that is possible. Then how it is possible? We have this option of progression. This progression is what we have: NP, AP, reverse pyramid, Fibonacci pyramid. So first we will see what is this NP. NP means no progression. No progression. I don't want to do anything. I just want to keep on uh, trading in this particular 10 quantities only. यहाँ पे we have an option of 5 steps. Sorry, steps. Steps is means what? Steps means कितनी बार हमने वो lot लिया है. तो 1 means 1 time, 5 means 5 step. So पहला step हुआ, first step हुआ, 10 lots it will purchase, it will exit. Then again one more step would be covered. Second step, 10 lots, square of 10 lots. So throughout this, 5 steps would be done. So how will be my position? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 means 50, total 50 lots. That becomes my progression. Now, if I want to double my position or increase my position, we have this option of AP, arithmetic progression. Just like in mathematics, arithmetic progression में होता क्या है? Number increase होता है. So similarly, in this particular arithmetic progression, what my system will do, it will increase the quantity. How? At first step, it will purchase 10 quantities. At second step, it will double. What it will do? 10 plus 10, 20 quantities. At third step, it will add 10 more, 30 quantities. At fourth step, 40. At fifth step, 50. So total, how much is my quantity? 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10, 150 quantities हो गए मेरे पूरे strategy में. Total 150 quantities should be traded in this strategy. But wait, we had kept one setting here in this. Just wait. Step. Here we had kept 100 lots. हमने सिस्टम को ही बोला कि मैक्सिमम आई वांट टू परचेज 100 लॉट्स. सो 150 लॉट्स होगा ही नहीं. जैसे इट विल रीच 100 लॉट्स, माय स्ट्रेटजी वुड बी स्टॉप्ड ऑटोमेटिकली. So it is up to you what you want to place in this max slot. If you want to keep no counts here, just place 999, so it won't be limited. Sorry, it won't be restricted. You can buy as many lot you want, 999 here. And if you go by this method, तो 150 लॉट्स होता है और हमने मैक्स लॉट में 100 दिया है, तो 100 आते ही स्ट्रेटेजी रुक जाएगा. Similarly, we have this option of reverse pyramid. Just imagine a reverse pyramid. How a reverse pyramid is. If we visualize a reverse pyramid, we have the tip at the bottom, and as we go up, it keeps on increasing. जैसे एक pyramid, उल्टा pyramid हम देखते हैं, नीचे टिप रहता है और जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाते हैं वो थोड़ा बड़ा होते जाता है. So similarly, reverse pyramid means you want to keep on increasing the क्वांटिटी. जस्ट लाइक एपी. एपी में क्या है? अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में ऑटोमेटिकली वो क्वांटिटी आ गया, मतलब वो 10 10 10 सेम क्वांटिटी ही ऐड कर रहा है हर बार. 10 20 30. नाउ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज मोर क्वांटिटीज. आई प्लेस्ड फैक्टर एज 3. so what my system will do, first it will place a order of, at first step my order would be of 10 quantity. At second step, it would be 10 into 3, 30 quantity. At third step, 30 into 3, 90 quantity. 90 into 3, 270. Fourth step, fifth step, 270 into 3, 810. तो total आपका 810 quantity trade होगा. 810 quantities would be traded if you have kept no restriction in max slot. And if you have kept max slot as 100, तो जैसे ही आपका 100 ब्रीच होता है, 100 आ जाता है, your strategy would be stopped automatically. Have this Fibonacci number. Fibonacci is nothing but just like a Fibonacci number 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. तो similarly आपका quantities भी Fibonacci number के हिसाब से होंगे. First lot would be 10 lots, then 20, then 30 lots, then 50 lots, then 80 lots, then 110 lots, just like that. तो Fibonacci number के हिसाब से. And lastly, we have this option of pyramids. Now just imagine a pyramid at bottom, it is very big, and as we go up, it keeps on decreasing, that size keeps on decreasing. So now not always all the situation would be fruitful to you. In some volatile situation, आपको कोई volatile situation आया, you want to reduce your quantity, so in that case you can use this pyramid option. I kept two. तो पहला स्टेप जब होगा, जब my first entry would be at 10 quantities, then at second step 10 divided by 2, 5 quantities, then 5 divided by 2, तो राउंड ऑफ होगा 3 quantities होगा, because 2.5 होता है, तो 3 quantities, then 3 divided by 2 it becomes 1.5, so 2 quantities, and last step 2 divided by 2, 1 quantity, तो आपके last step में 1 quantity होगा. So just like that, this is my progression option. Okay, and just a second. Now we have this option of square of table. Always you don't want कि आपका जब square off होगा तो एक ही साथ square off हो जाए. You want to square it off at part by part. आपको partially square off करना है at different price. So how you can use it? We have this square off table here. Just click on this show. For example, let us take an example. We had 100 quantities. Okay. Now, out of that 100 quantities, I want to square off only 50%. Means 50 quantities I want to square off at 10 rupees value. Add. So what my system will do, out of that 100 quantity, 50 quantities would be squared off at 110. For example, 100 was my entry point, 110 में square off हो गया. Then out of this quantity percentage, always it is remaining quantity. So what is your remaining quantity now? 50 quantities. Out of that 50 quantities, next 50% means 25 quantities you want to trade at 5 rupees more, means 15 rupees, 115. So what my system will do, it will place a order at 115, 25, next 25 quantities, and the further remaining quantities of 25 आपको पूरा का पूरा fully you want to trade at more 5 rupees, means at 120 rupees. So you just need to click on this add and you keep done. Then what my system will do, for example आपने 100 quantity आपका position 100 quantities का था, so what my system will do, out of that 50 quantities would be traded at 110, next 25 would be traded at 115, and remaining last 25 would be traded at 120. So this is how you can do partially square off. Now we will just and you can just save a template also, so that any point of time you need not create everything. आपको just what you want to do, you just want to add scripts, you want to change scripts, बाकी के parameters आपको same रखने हैं, so you can just select the template from here and just click on submit. And we didn't cover this thing, I kept it out for the last. What is this active? If we submit this order, अगर हम ये order submit करते हैं तो वो inactive state में submit होता है, ठीक है? I will show you. Sir, you cannot fix any time. You cannot fix any time for this order, as long as that, matlab, at whatever particular time your signal is generated, your orders would be reflected from that point of time. So I'm just saving this. Actually, we were testing something, so we have all this here. We can see this inactive state here. So inactive state इसके लिए था, it was because while making this strategy, this particular strategy, we did not click active here. What is the use of placing active? For example, you want to start trading as long as you place submit. क्या होता है, कभी कभी हम सबमिट करते हैं, देन यहाँ पे जाके हमको राइट क्लिक करके स्टार्ट स्ट्रेटजी करना है, उसमें हमारे 2-3 सेकंड निकल गए. आपको वो अगर नहीं चाहते हो कि आपका 2-3 स्ट्रेटजी हो, तो देन आप एक्टिव करके भी उसको कर सकते हो, और एल्स यू कैन स्टार्ट स्ट्रेटजी फ्रॉम हियर. Right click on it and start strategy. Then we have this of intraday and auto square off. Intraday and auto square off, we have this time of 3 and 3:20. What is this intraday? 3 means, for example, we have reached 3 o'clock. 3 बज गए हैं. So what my system will do, it will not place any fresh orders now. It will not place any fresh orders. What it will allow me to do, it will allow me to do a manual square off. If I want to square off my orders, so I can do that, but I cannot create any fresh orders. This particular strategy won't create any fresh orders. So this is my intraday, this 3 o'clock, and this timing is configurable, and this auto square off is 3:20. If for example, we have timer auto square off with us, then what my system will do at this particular time, any open position is there, that will be squared off by my timer auto square off, timer admin. Simple. So these 3 things are for that. Now we saw this active state here. So during the market hours, whenever this strategy is in active, and for example, any signals are generated, that orders would be coming in our dispatch order book. Simple. And what we have in this right click, we have this option of start strategy. We have this option of stop strategy if you want to stop. We have this option of deleting as well. And we have this option of start all. Sorry, I just got some chat. Sir, as we already using a technical software and has our own parameters to trade, which we use manually, is it possible to trade on PL loading using that parameter mechanically? Sir, you can create your own strategies. We have our own, we have almost 100 plus indicators. So what you can do, you can create that strategies using that indicators, and you can use it in technical traders. So it can be done, sir. Then we were seeing this right click option, start strategies. If I want to start any strategy, all the strategy, so all the strategies would be started at one go, but we have to take care at a time, only 50 strategies would be started, not more than that. Only 50 strategies would be started. We can see here mapping count. We can see here mapping 1. 1 is active out of 30. So
Totally, we can start 50 strategies, not more than that. Then part, we have this mapping option. Mapping option is basically we want to modify anything in that particular setting. We can right click and modify, or else we can double click on that particular strategy. Then we have this view option. View is nothing but you want to arrange column profiles and all size to fit. It is that. You have this step table. Step table is what? So see, we were talking about how many steps we want to trade, what quantity we want to do. Just like हमने बात किया था कि हमें 5 स्टेप करने हैं और इतने हमारे quantities होंगे. Wait, I will show you that. I will show you how this step table looks. Basically, it will show me my steps. Pehla 10 quantities, then 10, just like that. It will show me that. I guess is short window hai, so I'm clicking on something else. So every step, my quantities would be defined in my step table for every step. Then we have this option of opening a chart from here. We have this option of simulator. Simulator mein we have two options. We have this option of backtest. Backtesting this particular strategy on back data. तो हम यहाँ से backtest भी कर सकते हैं. For a particular date and time, we can backtest from here on the available data. And we have this option of paper trading. You can just see that in your live market. We have this option of paper trading. The simulator, we have this option of paper trading. In paper trading, what my system will do, it will show exactly the scenario, what it would have happened if you have taken a position in real sense. आपने अगर रियल ट्रेड किया होता तो क्या आपका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस होता, क्या आपका पोजीशन होता, अगर सिग्नल जनरेट होता तो वो आपको यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा in this particular paper trading, live trading. And this will continue till market hours only, because this is on live trading, live market. So it requires broadcast. Then square off. If I want to manually square off, which we were talking about. So if I want to square it off, I can square off from here. Manual square off. If I want to create a copy means now you must be having a query. What if I want to use this strategy on multiple scripts? I have a portfolio. So this, we can see this 130 counts. This was tested yesterday. That means just click on this mapping on portfolio, and whatever portfolio you have here, just select that. What my system will do, it will fetch all the data from that current strategy, and it will push down into the all the different scripts. मतलब आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं रिलायंस है, then power grid है, Pidilite है, PFC है, NTPC है. These all scripts were available in that particular portfolio. And when we created the strategy, If we click on this, you can see only the script is changing. All the parameters would be same. All the parameters would be same. Only that my script would be changing. See, only script is changing. So if you want to use this particular strategy on different uh, scripts, you can use it that way. Create copy. Duplicate mapping would be basically, it will create the same copy with, for example, you want to trade in same script for same particular ID, same quantities, everything. So you can use this duplicate mapping. It will create a duplicate order for it. Now, I was thinking all of you must be having a query. Okay, as we said, it is just means everything is automated, but order placing, I need to click on submit. ये dispatch order book में मेरा orders आएगा और मुझे यहाँ पे accept, reject, submit का बटन क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. What if I'm not in front of my system? Then वो condition में हम क्या करेंगे? So we have given that option also. For example, कि I'm not in front of my system and order आके रह गया dispatch order book में, तो क्या? अब मुझे 5 मिनट बाद अगर वो ऑर्डर दिखता है, if I see that particular order after 5 minutes, then it is of no use because that move is also gone. वो move भी चला गया है, 5 मिनट वो प्राइस भी निकल गया, तो अभी कोई मतलब ही नहीं है उसका. So what we can do, this particular preference option, just a second. Arunji, just click on strategy preference. Yes, go to this one touch preference. One touch preference. Sir, this is, we have an option of order expiration timer here, which is very important for you. यहाँ पे हमने एक ऑप्शन दिया है order expiration. 60 seconds by default it is coming. What is this 60 seconds? It means कि 60 seconds या 1 मिनट तक ऑर्डर मेरे सिस्टम में आके पड़ा रहा डिस्पैच ऑर्डर बुक में और मैंने कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया उस पर, तो वो ऑर्डर ऑटोमेटिकली कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Yes, so my orders would be automatically cancelled here. So this is very important. For example, आप स्क्रीन के सामने है नहीं और ऑर्डर आके रह जाता है, तो it is configurable. You can keep it of your choice. You can keep it for 10 seconds, you can keep it for 20 seconds, 60 seconds, or you want to keep it more than 60 seconds. It is up to you. It is up to your choice, your requirement. So this is my one touch preference. So basically हमारा टेक्निकल ट्रेडर का ओवरव्यू यहीं तक है. यू कैन आस्क योर क्वेरीज सर.
Participants, please put your question in chat box.
Sir, I guess Anil sir has asked a query. Okay, I want to use my own software and indicators to generate and place orders with Odin, not your ready-made strategies. Sir, अनिल जी, यहाँ पे रेडीमेड स्ट्रेटजी आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. आपको आपका खुद का स्ट्रेटजी, मतलब we are giving you, we are providing you all the indicators. You just need to create your own strategies and you can use in the technical trader. But you have to place that through Odin only. Sir, any more queries? I'm just reading all the chats, whatever queries were placed in that. First, KK Goyal ji ने पूछा था, can I stop the strategy at any choice later after putting the strategy? Sir, you can at any point, we just saw कि आप right click करके stop strategy कर ही सकते हो. So that option is available. And then we have this option query from Funny Kumar sir. Can I fix the timing when the order to be placed? Meaning daily place order at 9:30 or 3:15. Sir, as we saw, it is just totally based on charts. So wherever you will get the signals, orders would be placed at that particular point. So that timing restriction, we have not kept anything. There is no time restrictions. As long as order is generated, signals are generated, orders would be placed. I guess Anjan Kumar sir, he had some query regarding SL, stop loss. Sir, can you just send your query on this? What is max creation mapping count? Sir, maximum as we are seeing here. Sir, this maximum creation, as we can see yesterday, we had 129 scripts here. So all the 129 were generated, all the 129 mapping were generated at one go. But the thing is, only 50 would be activated at a time, not more than that. So you can use 50 strategies at one go. It's automated. Now we have accept all indicators. Sir, we have that option of accepting all the orders. So you can use that. So whatever orders are there in your dispatch order book, just click on accept all and all the orders would be placed to exchange. So this comparative relative, we have this relative strength indicator is there. The comparative relative strength indicator, I would like to know more on that. Anjan sir wants to keep stop loss on closing basis. Sir, Anjan sir, can you just give your details on how you want to keep the strategy stop loss? We can surely discuss this post training also.
Yes, sir, that will be good.
Yes, custom indicators. We have the option of custom formula. Sir, custom indicator is something different, but custom strategy is something different. So what Niranjan sir wants, indicators is what all we have on our system. So usme kuch changes, we cannot make any changes in the existing indicators. But no, custom indicators cannot be made. If you're thinking some sort like on AMI broker, custom indicator cannot be made, but custom strategies would be can be created. You want to mix many indicators and create your own strategies, that can be done. I would share the help file also so that it can help you out after this training session. Sir, timely execution is not available. जैसे भी मतलब okay, can we execute our strategy at particular time? Is it your strategy, sir? Niranjan, sir? So this can be made on a custom basis. Custom strategy can be created. So we will have to speak with our development team for that. Sir, for existing indicators, yes, parameters means you can change it. You can change the parameters. We have that option. Whatever you are using, just like, for example, RSI, generally people use it as 14-day RSI. You can change it to 17, 15, anything of your choice. It can be changed. Any more queries?
Okay, I think there is no query now. More queries. Okay. Pani sir has written something. Please.
If I have to study on daily stick, but I want to scan to happen daily at 3:15 and that particular point of time, if my condition matches, then it should place order. Can it be done? Yes, sir. Custom condition on this basis can be done. We can do that thing. You give your strategies to us. We will speak with our developers for that. Sir, no, sir, it is not available for mobile app currently. As we can see that UI is totally different. It is only for our EXE based application. Ajay, sir,
Yes.
I
Okay,
guess,
I think there is no more questions now. So we'll wind up here. So what is the success ratio?
sir, success ratio is what strategy you are using. And this product is very good. You can use it at any point because the strategy you have, you need not manually go and track it. आपने strategy बना दिया है. You have created the strategy. Just keep it. Sir, you have your own script, means you have your own strategies. So you can do it. You can just send it to us. We will try to create one for that. Sir, Elliott wave is not available currently in this.
when will fully automated come?
Sir, actually, we have a separate fully automated system, but it is into algo. It's totally into algo, and this is non-algo system. So fully automated, if you are speaking, that is a different thing. Sir, we do not provide any strategies. We do not have any pre-tested strategies. Strategies would be of your own, sir.
Okay, next 1 minute, please put your question if there is anything. Okay, Ashish, I think there is no more questions.
So technical tools means, can you just elaborate what is technical tool? Sir, we have 100 plus indicators, oscillators, name it MACD, RSI, stochastic, many indicators, many oscillators, 100 plus indicators, whatever main indicators are used, just like Bollinger Band, Super Trend, everything is available. Would like you to just go through it and just see what all indicators are there. So this is only for 2 days. And we have separate net position tab also. In that you can see, if we go in the strategy tab, actually I don't have the control right now. If we go to strategy tab, we have an option of strategy net position. There, all the net position related to technical trader strategies would be populated there. Any more queries? Ajay sir, you can wind up now.
Some questions are coming.
Okay. I can have different time frames. Yes, sir. Daily, weekly, you can operate at any time frame, sir. You can create your strategies at any time frame. We are not restricted to any one time frame.
Okay, I think there is no more question. And if there is anything, dear participants, please, you can mail it to plbd@plindia.com. And if you are interested to have a demo of this software, you please mention your Odin ID, client ID, name and contact number. So that if there is anything, we can connect you in any way. And again, I'm repeating, please mail it to plbd@plindia.com. Thank you, Ashish ji and Sangeeta ji, for such a wonderful session. Thank you so much,
Thank you
everyone.
so much, sir. Thank you, all the attendees.